Now, we are coming to the end of today's function, inviting our vibrant secretary, Rotarian Dr. Bijan B.R. for vote of thanks.
President Rotarian Arvindashan Puttur, Chief Guest of the Day Rotarian DGE Major Donor Dr. Rajesh Subhash, the Guest of Honor Rotarian PDG Major Donor M. Prakash, IPP Rotarian Venugopal Leke, all the distinguished district leaders and the leaders of my Rotary Club and my fellow Rotarians and media people. I am here for the responsibility of thanking everyone. Our chief guest of the day, DG-elect Rotarian Major Donor Dr. Rajesh Subhash, an ever-smiling, dynamic and a person with extraordinary leadership qualities. Thank you, sir, for accepting our invitation and enlightening us with your wisdom today. Now, our guest of honor, PDG Rotarian Major Donor M. Prakash. He is always considered as an icon in Rotary. Thank you, sir, for launching one of our dream project, that's our club website. Now I thank our vibrant and dynamic District General Secretary, Rotarian MPHF Dinesh MT, and multi-talent District Trainer, Rotarian PDG Major Donor Dr. Jayaprakash Upadhyaya, and galaxy of PDGs who are present here. Now, our State Coordinator, Rotarian MPHF Dr. Vinod Kumar, a simple, humble and a dedicated leader. Thank you, sir, for attending today's installation. Our Zonal Coordinator, Rotarian MPHF Dr. Anil Melath. He is always there to guide us. Thank you, sir, for being with us today. Now I thank our Zonal Secretary, Rotarian PHF Ranjit Damodaran, and Assistant Governor, Rotarian PHF K.T. Gobinathan for attending today. Now I thank our vibrant and visionary leader, our President, Rotarian Arvindashan Puttur. I take this opportunity to thank IPP, Rotarian Venugopal Leke, for a wonderful year and a well-designed installation. Thank you, Secretary, Rotarian PHF Balakrishnan K, for well-prepared report. I thank our Charter President, Rotarian PHF Dr. Mohanan, for the bylaw release, and past President, Rotarian PHF Rajkumar P, for the beautiful introduction of our chief guest, and the past President, Rotarian Subramanian, for a very good introduction of our President, and Rotarian Rajesh for the introduction of guest of honor. I thank the Rotarians from the neighboring clubs for attending today's function. Thank you, Rotarian Rajan, for your valuable service as treasurer during the year 2019-2020. Thank you, Rotarian Ramakrishnan, for your presence today. This event is possible only because of the efforts taken by our program director, Rotarian T.K. Babu. Thank you. I thank our club website in charge, Rotarian PHF Sunil Kumar CV, for his hard work and dedication in making the website, Facebook page, Instagram and YouTube channel. Now I thank Vijaya Visual Media Vadakara for their excellent work and support. On this occasion, I appreciate the efforts taken by our members to make the website a reality, especially our club administrator, Rotarian Shinoj. Now I thank all the service chairs for being there today. As you all know, Rotary is always considered as an extended family. I thank the dynamic, sincere and hardworking members of our club for making this event a huge success. Now, I thank Sridevi Raj and Sridevi Subramanian for mastering the ceremony and making this event a huge success. Finally, we are the trailblazers. This year's theme is Rotary Opens Opportunities. So, we as a PST and as a club is looking for opportunities to serve the humanity. Thank you one and all, Jai Rotary. Now I request our program director, Rotarian TK Babu, to hand over the mementos to the dais. Next, I request our beloved President, Rotarian Arvindakshan Puttur, to hand over the mementos to Sridevi Raj as a token of appreciation. Next, I request our President, Rotarian Arvindakshan Puttur, to hand over the mementos to Sridevi Subramanian as a token of our appreciation.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा, विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे, तव शुभ आशीष मागे, गाहे तव जय गाथा। जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे, जय 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 हे।